World of Opportunities Conference was born after Principal Amanda Pruitt, Coach Allie Green, and Ms. Amanda Wagner and I went to a conference about 6 years ago. And in the conference, we went to a tiny little session with a middle school that had done a career day of sorts. And it was very interesting just the way they put the day together. And when we came out of the session, the four of us looked at each other and we said we could do that, but we could do it bigger and better. And all the way home, all we talked about was what could we call this conference? What could we do? How many presenters do we think we could get? And by the time we got back to Millers Creek, the World of Opportunities Conference was born.
Offer a wide array of different presenters that present either on hobbies or skills or careers or educational pursuits that students can take advantage of, just to expose students to a wide variety of opportunities that are available to them in this area. We've just gotten feedback from students that this is one of the best opportunities they have to actually engage with folks in our area. And I've had several students after the conference come to me and either change their program or what they want to pursue because of something they saw here at the conference.